What if I told you your dream home doesn't need land, a mortgage, or even a foundation? Imagine waking up to the sound of birds one morning and the waves of the ocean the next, all from the comfort of your own home. Welcome to the future of freedom, the 2026 Tiny Home on Wheels Camper. And trust me, this isn't just another van or trailer, it's a whole new lifestyle revolution. This stunning tiny home is built for the bold, the adventurous, and the dreamers who refuse to settle for the ordinary. At just under 200 square feet, it might sound small, but the second you step inside, it feels anything but. The layout is a masterclass in intelligent design, every inch has a purpose. From the hidden storage under the stairs to the fold-out bed that transforms into a cozy lounge, this camper maximizes space like never before. And the best part? It's completely off-grid ready. We're talking solar panels on the roof, a high-efficiency composting toilet, a gray water recycling system, and battery storage that powers everything from your mini fridge to your Wi-Fi. You could live in the middle of a forest, off the side of a mountain, or parked by a desert cliff, and still have every modern comfort at your fingertips. Now let's talk aesthetics, because this tiny camper is drop-dead gorgeous. The 2026 model features eco-friendly materials with a sleek, minimalist interior. Warm wood accents, matte black fixtures, and panoramic windows that bring the outside in. It's like a luxury apartment had a baby with an adventure van. And at night? LED mood lighting turns this tiny haven into your personal sanctuary. But it's not just about the looks, it's about the freedom. No more rent. No more 9-to-5 chains. Just you, your tiny home, and the open road. Whether you're a remote worker, an artist, or someone who just wants out of the rat race, this camper isn't just a vehicle, it's your escape plan. And for those wondering about the drive? It's built on a lightweight, fuel-efficient chassis that handles like a dream. Easy to tow, easier to park. You don't need a monster truck or RV license to take this beauty wherever your heart desires. Plus, customization is key. Want a rooftop deck? A slide-out kitchen? A mobile office? Done. The 2026 Tiny Home on Wheels is built for your life, your way. So why stay stuck in one place, buried under bills, when you can own your space and take it anywhere? This isn't just a trend. It's a movement. And those who get in early, they're not just buying a camper. They're buying freedom. Don't just dream about living differently. Hit play on a life that's rent-free, stress-free, and endlessly mobile. This is the 2026 Tiny Home on Wheels Camper. And it's waiting for you to take the keys.